Hello children, today I am going to explain you chapter number 10 कबड्डी कबड्डी कबड्डी। तो कबड्डी सुन के आपको कैसा लगा? मतलब आपने कभी खेला है कबड्डी? पिक्चर दिख रहा है आपको? सी द पिक्चर, दे आर प्लेइंग कबड्डी। वन इज येलो टीम एंड वन इज ग्रीन टीम, you can see. So let's discuss kabaddi kabaddi kabaddi, out out, all the girls were shouting out out. Then again kabaddi kabaddi, hold from here, kabaddi kabaddi, hold from leg, the leg, the leg. They are shouting, they are playing and shouting and saying all these things. Kabaddi kabaddi, Vasudha, you come here, you hold her from here. आप यहाँ से उसे खींचो, यहाँ से इसको पकड़ो. Why, hey Sushila, make sure that her hand does not touch the line. वो बोल रहे हैं, now they are saying that make sure that her hand does not touch the line which is between the two parts. One part is the opposite team and the another one is green team is in one box and the yellow team will be on the another box. So in between one line is there, so she is saying that only. Make sure that her hand does not touch the line. Hold her hand. Kabaddi kabaddi. Oh, she has touched it. Out out, all out. Oh, your team is all out. See, what are these girls doing? They are shouting out out out. It is clear that they are playing a game. What do you call this game? Cheddu Guddu, Hu Tu Tu, Chu Kit Kit, Hu Do Do, or Kabaddi or something else. So these are in some of the places same game Kabaddi they play and these are the things they used to say. But the game is the same, that is Kabaddi. When the girls surrounded Shyamla and caught her, everyone thought that she was out. Somebody caught her legs and somebody her arms, while one girl caught her by the waist. But Shyamla was not the one to give up. See, everyone thought that she was out. Somebody, किसी ने उसके पैर को पकड़ा, किसी ने उसके हाथ को पकड़ा, किसी ने उसके कमर को पकड़ा, लेकिन फिर भी श्यामला जो है उसने गिव अप नहीं किया. शी हैज़ नॉट the one to give up. She dragged herself by increasing her strength and managed to touch the line in the center. क्योंकि सारे लोगों ने पकड़ के रखा था उसको और फिर भी उसने मेहनत करके आगे आगे घिस के आगे आगे उसने टच कर दिया लाइन को. So by touching the line, it's clear that all of the opposite team are out. When Shyamla touched the line, all the girls of the opposite side were holding her. Okay, जब उसने टच किया था सबने उसको पकड़ के रखा था. So all of them got out. But Rosie argued that Shyamla had taken a breath in between, so the team was not out. तो कबड्डी खेलते समय बीच में से सांस नहीं लेने का, अगर सांस ले लिया तो आउट होता है. सो इसीलिए Rosie arguing that Shyamla had taken a breath in between, so the team was not out. इसलिए बीच में सांस ले इसलिए हम लोग आउट नहीं है. Shyamla insisted that this was not true. So Shyamla is saying that this is not true. She said that if she had taken a breath, why did the girls keep holding her? अगर मैंने बीच में सांस लिया फिर भी मेरे को क्यों पकड़ के रखा उन्होंने? So both the teams are arguing. There was a big argument. Finally, Shyamla won. There was an argument and then finally what happened? Shyamla won. वो जीत गई. How many players are there in a kabaddi team? So there are 12 players in kabaddi team and 7 players are going to play the kabaddi at a time. Okay. How many players got out when Shyamla touched the center line? All the players those who are holding Shyamla, जो भी श्यामला को पकड़ के रखे थे सारे आउट हो गए. How do you resolve the disputes during games? गेम्स खेलते समय जो भी आर्ग्यूमेंट होता है, झगड़ा होता है, नहीं मैंने नहीं किया, मैंने टच नहीं किया, जो भी है वो आप कैसे सॉल्व करते हो? या तो फिर कोई आप अगर कोई बड़े एल्डर्स आपके साथ नहीं है तो आपस में बात करके करते होंगे, अगर कोई एल्डर्स हैं तो आप उनसे डिस्कस करते होंगे, अगर टीचर के सामने खेल रहे हो तो टीचर बताएगी, है ना? सो दिस वे यू आर रिजॉल्विंग योर डिस्प्यूट्स. So this is what a game of kabaddi is like. Snatching and pulling happens in this game. Okay, खींचना, पुल करना, ये सब होता है इसमें. Someone is caught, there is shouting also. अगर कोई पकड़ लेता है किसी को तो भी जोर से चिल्लाते हैं. This is a game. So shouting, pulling, snatching, it all happens. This is a game of bravery and it has many rules. So there are many rules in every game you play there are some rules. So like that in this game also there are some rules. What does one do when one takes turn in kabaddi? She keeps on saying kabaddi kabaddi continuously and they have to hold their breath until they are coming back in their position. अगर एक प्लेयर दूसरे टीम में जाता है तो उसको कंटिन्यूसली कबड्डी कबड्डी बोलना है और बीच में सांस नहीं रोकना है. सांस रोकेंगे तो फिर सांस अगर ले लेंगे तो फिर आउट है. अंडरस्टूड? सो दे आर आउट. When you are taking turn, be careful. You have to use your body and mind too. So you have to continue saying kabaddi and you have to use your mind also at the same time, and you have to play the game. You have to pay attention all around. If anyone will going to snatch you, then you will going to be out. So when you touch the line of the other team, take care that nobody from their team will catch you. How much you have to, so all these things you have to be very careful. ये सब देखना है गेम खेलते समय कि हम अंदर जाते हैं किसी के टीम के अंदर तो फिर कबड्डी कबड्डी बोलते रहना है, और किसी को भी टच करके वापस अपन अपने टीम में चले जाते हैं तो वो आउट. या फिर अपन को अगर किसी ने भी टच किया हो और अपन ने लाइन को टच कर ले तो वो सब आउट. और अपन अंदर जाने के बाद अपन को पकड़ लिया और अपन ने लाइन टच नहीं कर पाए और अपना सांस भी रुक गया, सांस अपन ने ले लिया कबड्डी कबड्डी बोलते समय तो भी आउट है. अंडरस्टूड? होल्ड योर ब्रेथ सेइंग कबड्डी कबड्डी. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स कुड यू से इट? आप अपने सांस को बिना लिए कबड्डी कबड्डी रोक के रख के कबड्डी कबड्डी बोलो और देखो कितनी बार आप बोल सकते हो. ओके. When you go to play kabaddi, focus your attention on your legs, arms and eyes. So these are the things you have to take care. Focus your attention on your legs, arms and eyes. You will notice the good coordination of all these body parts helps you a lot. So ये सब देखे आप गेम खेलते समय ये बहुत हेल्पफुल है कि कौन क्या आगे जाके करने वाला है. उनके हाथ से, पैर से, हाथों से आपको समझ में आता है. What does it mean to be out in kabaddi? When does one get out in the game? So मैंने पहले आपको एक्सप्लेन किया था ये सब चीज़. अंदर जाते हैं अपन और फिर कबड्डी कबड्डी कंटिन्यूसली बोलना है, और अगर अपन ने सांस ले लिया तो फिर आउट. एंड इफ़ एनीबडी विल जस्ट होल्ड अस, हमको पकड़ लिया है और अपन नहीं जा पाए, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो आउट. एंड इफ एनीवन विल, इफ़ यू टच एवरीबडी, सबको आपने टच कर लिया है और फिर आपने वो लाइन को टच कर दिया तो वो सारे आउट. अंडरस्टूड? In some games, those who are having their turn, they touch others. In some games, they go to find the place, which are such games similar to this. So ऐसे टच करने वाले गेम्स कौन कौन से हैं? So टच करने वाले गेम्स एक तो आप लोग पकड़म पकड़ी खेलते हो, है ना? In some games, those who are having their turn, they touch others. In some games, they go to find the place, which are some such games similar to this. Okay, so similar to this are kho-kho, then kabaddi, then which are the other games children you also think, and hide and seek, chupam chupi, and some of the games you play. Okay, one we say langdi, that also you play. Okay, what other games do you play? What do the player have to do with? So iske alawa which are the other games you play, you discuss with your mummy. Okay, now Karnam Maheshwari. Karnam Maheshwari is a weightlifter. She lives in Andhra Pradesh. Her father is a police constable. Maheshwari started lifting weights when she was 12 years old. See, she is a weightlifter and she used to do this practice when she was 12 years old, जब वो 12 years की थी. Now she can lift a weight of 130 kilograms, 130 kg weight वो उठा सकती हैं. Karnam has won 29 medals in international events. International games में उसने कितने जीते? 29 medals. Her 4 sisters also practice वेट लिफ्टिंग, और उसके 4 बहन जो है वो भी प्रैक्टिस करते हैं ये वेट लिफ्टिंग में. अनदर वन इज सरिता गायकवाड. सरिता गायकवाड वॉज born in Karadiamba village of Dang district on 1st June 1994 में इसका बर्थ हुआ था. सरिता लक्ष्मण बाई गायकवाड इज अ गुजराती स्प्रिंटर. हर पेरेंट्स, गुजराती स्प्रिंटर मतलब जो कम समय में जल्दी भागने वाले लोग, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड स्प्रिंटर. हर पेरेंट्स आर वेरी बिजी विथ फार्मिंग, सो हर पेरेंट्स यूज टू डू फार्मिंग. शी स्पेशलाइजेस इन द 400 meters running race and 400 meters hurdles. She won gold medal in women's 4x400 meters relay race at 2018 एशियन गेम्स में उन्होंने ये गोल्ड मेडल जीता था. गुजरात गवर्नमेंट हैज सेलेक्टेड हर एज अ ब्रांड एम्बेसडर फॉर, गुजरात गवर्नमेंट ने उसे ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनाया किसके लिए? बेटी बचाओ अभियान के लिए. Now let's talk about the story of 3 sisters. Look at this photograph. You can see the photograph. Don't they look like simple grandmothers? Grandmothers की तरह simple लग नहीं रहे हैं वो? लग रहे हैं. But they are different. See how they are different. वो different कैसे हैं? Just see. The picture is of 3 sisters, Jwala, Leela and Hira. They live in Mumbai. All 3 of them played kabaddi and taught the game to others. So 3 of them used to play kabaddi and they used to taught the game to others also. दूसरे को भी वो सिखाते थे. Jwala tells, when we were young, girls were not allowed to play this game. जब वो छोटे थे तब कि कोई भी उनको गर्ल्स को खेलने के लिए गेम देते नहीं थे. People thought that if girls play such rough games, nobody would marry them. तभी का ऐसे बिलीव था कि ऐसे गेम्स अगर गर्ल्स खेलेंगे तो उनकी शादी नहीं होगी. Nobody will going to marry them, so they are not allowed to play such games. They also said that the girls had to wear boys' clothes to play kabaddi. That is why they stopped the girls from playing. पहले के ज़माने में बॉयज़ के कपड़े यानी जीन्स, टी शर्ट ये सब नहीं पहनने देते थे. तो और कबड्डी खेलने के लिए उनको बॉयज़ के ही कपड़े पहनने, टी शर्ट और जो भी कबड्डी का यूनिफॉर्म है वो, इसीलिए उनको रोक दिया गया गर्ल्स को कबड्डी खेलने के लिए. सो दे वर स्टॉप्ड फ्रॉम प्लेइंग दिस कबड्डी गेम. व्हेन दे वर यंग देयर फादर डाइड. जब वो यंग थे, जब छोटे थे तो उनके पापा ऑफ हो गए. Their mother and 2 mamas, mamas you know no, maternal uncles brought them up. Both uncles used to play kabaddi and kho-kho. So they encouraged these 3 girls to play kabaddi. So their mamas used to encourage them, okay, to play this kabaddi game. Jwala and Leela talk about their experience. Almost 50 years ago, when we started to play kabaddi, girls never got a chance to play this game. So almost 50 years ago, when they started to play kabaddi, girls were never get a chance to play this game because parents are not allowed, they are not allowing their children to play this game. Parents did not let them play the game, but we always felt that we should play, and my uncles and mother supported us. So their uncles and their mother used to support them. So like that they used to play this game. We three learned the game and some other girls also joined us. We formed a kabaddi club which is active even today. So they formed like this, they formed a kabaddi club which is active even today. So remembering those days. So this is the small incident they are saying about before. Leela and Hira still remember those days. They tell how they won some matches which they were about to lose. कैसे वो जीत जाते थे जो वो हारने वाले थे. Once they went to a big city to play a match. Okay. Leela tells the match had to start 6:30 in the evening. 6:30 in the evening match start होने वाला था. We went to see a movie. और उस समय वो मूवी देखने चले गए. As soon as movie started, we noticed some noise and disturbance. मूवी स्टार्ट होने के बाद उन्होंने नोटिस किया कि कुछ नॉइज़ और डिस्टर्बेंस हो रहा है. It was created by our मामा. उसके मामा चिल्ला रहे थे कि कहाँ है बच्चे. Who was looking for us in the hall with a torch? Where were you? मतलब वो ये गेम खेलते समय वो कहाँ चले गए, मूवी देखने चले गए. और जैसे ही उनके मामा ने उनको पकड़ा और उन्होंने बहुत ही ज़ोर से उनको डांट लगाए. When he found us, he gave us a big scolding. Understood? This is the small incident. ऐसा छोटा सा इंसिडेंट उन्होंने बताया अपने लाइफ का. So this is the explanation part of this chapter, and this is the last chapter also of your semester. Read this chapter nicely, understand this chapter nicely, okay? And meanwhile I am going to send the notes also of this chapter. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.